Hey folks, cooking with Kelbob here in my ordinary backyard. It's an Indian summer day. It's Christmas Eve. Yep, it's Christmas Eve and we're gonna fry up a holiday tradition, chicken wings. My family is crazy about chicken wings and I got the old Cajun fryer out today and we're gonna fry some up and we're gonna do something special. We're gonna make them St. Louis style with Sybergs, St. Louis style wing sauce. You're gonna love this, folks. If you've been around St. Louis and you've had St. Louis wings, you know what I'm talking about, that buttery, rich orange sauce. It's so good. But, of course, along with me is my ordinary grill dog, Sherman. Good catch, buddy, good catch. You want another one? Yeah, he is the man. And of course, everybody should have a grill dog because when you drop food on the ground, you don't have to bend over and pick it up. So the first thing we're gonna do is we are going to start heating our oil. And folks, I'm gonna give you a celebrity hack, chef trick, secret, that when you're frying, spend the extra money and get the peanut oil. It's going to cost just 12 bucks versus 6 bucks, but this stuff will take the higher temperatures better. And you know, when you use vegetable oil and you're going to do a lot of frying, man, all that crust gets in there, that oil burns up. So we're going to go ahead and get our oil hot and get this stuff going to about 350 degrees. Gotta be real careful when you're using these fryers. That oil spills over, poof, you've just made the news. So I'm gonna do a combination of wings and strips. So I've pre-mixed my southern fry, and I'm gonna spare you the details and just describe it. You can do this with almost any kind of recipe you want. I use 4 cups of flour. So 3 teaspoons salt, 3 teaspoons black pepper, and then a half a teaspoon of paprika and a half a teaspoon of ground mustard is how I like to do mine. And so what I do is I take 2 eggs and milk. I'm not teaching you anything you don't already know. We do that. We drop them in there. We do that. And I have them in my southern batter fry. We just ate Hattie B's down in Nashville last week. You ever have that hot chicken? Woo, that Nashville hot chicken, that is good. Kick that idea around for this episode. We might do that in the future. We've got a bunch of kids. Actually, they're grown kids now. But when they were kids, all they would eat is chicken fingers, chicken strips. And I know this because I ate what they didn't eat. Ha ha! I'm a chicken man from way back. All right, how we doing? We let our oil get a little cooler. We'll take it up a notch. You know what? Let's see what that looks like. We'll let those tenders go about 5 or 6 minutes. All right, so the last of the chicken tenders, make sure our batter got cooked. Shake them around a little bit. These probably go another minute or so. And the best part, the Sybergs sauce. Sybergs is 3 parts durke's sandwich spread. You got to be from St. Louis to know durke's. I am not from St. Louis, but I know durke's and I know Sybergs, and it's hard to find locally. 3 parts Frank's hot sauce and half part butter. That's all you do. And I've got it heating on the stove, so I have a little here. We're gonna try it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Christmas time is here. Man, Sherman, we killed it. We killed it, buddy. You wanna try some of this? I'll find a little one. So, there's what our hot sauce looks like. Sybergs. Oh my God. Oh my God. Folks, that is so good. Oh my gosh. Southern battered fried chicken wings, chicken tenders with homemade Syberg sauce. Sherman, try it. Thank you for a wonderful 2019. Great things coming in 2020. For Grill Dog Sherman, Kelbob.